In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Airtable. If you work in Airtable for long stretches or often find yourself building bases at night, switching to dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, reduce glare, and keep your focus on the content that matters. Start by opening your web browser and heading to airtable.com. Sign in if you're not already. You can do this from the Airtable home screen or from inside any base. The setting you need is always available in the same place, so it doesn't matter which page you start on. Look to the top right corner of the Airtable window and click your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might show your initials or a small photo. Clicking it opens a quick menu with your personal and app preferences. This is where Airtable keeps global options that affect how the app looks and feels for you. From this menu, choose Appearance. That opens a simple panel dedicated to theme and visual preferences. You'll see options to switch how the interface is styled without changing any of your data, views, or collaborators' access. Think of this as your personal skin for Airtable, entirely visual, instantly reversible, and saved to your account on this device. Now select Dark. The change happens right away. Backgrounds shift to deep grays, text adjusts for contrast, and panels, grids, and toolbars all restyle to be comfortable in low light. Your bases, tables, and fields remain exactly the same, only the interface colors update. This setting is meant to keep everything legible while reducing brightness and eye strain, especially in dim rooms or late-night sessions. If you're working across multiple bases, dark mode applies consistently throughout Airtable, so you don't need to switch it for each project. The app will remember your preference the next time you sign in on the same browser. If you ever want to compare how something looks in light mode, just revisit your profile icon, open Appearance, and switch back. It's instant and doesn't disrupt your workflow. A few quick tips to get the most out of it. After turning on dark mode, adjust your screen brightness a notch lower than usual to maximize comfort and contrast. If you don't see the interface update right away, give the page a quick refresh. And remember, this preference is personal to you. Other collaborators can keep their own theme without affecting yours. That's all it takes. You've turned on dark mode in Airtable in just a few clicks, making your workspace calmer, clearer, and easier to use for long sessions.